Assalamualaikum. So in this video I will explain to you how to calculate question number 1 from the previous quiz that I gave you last Tuesday. Alright, so the question gave you that P and Q are two planets of masses 2m and 3m, so both separated by a distance of x. So a rocket travels from P to Q. Okay, so what is the distance of the rocket from P when the resultant gravitational force on it is 0? Okay, so you have to remember that gravitational force is acting between two planets is pointing toward each other. Alright, so let me try to draw you. So we have planet P and planet Q. So this is P, this is Q. So planet P 2m and planet Q is 3m respectively. So both separated by a distance of x. So maksudnya from the center of P to the center of Q, so the distance is x. So after that, so a rocket travel from P to Q. So maksudnya adalah roket dekat sini, dia travel daripada P ke Q. Alright, so along the way, so there are a distance, so from between P and Q, where the resultant gravitational force on it is 0. So ingat yang tadi saya cakap, so daripada P ke Q dia ada force, gravitational force, and daripada Q ke P ada juga gravitational force. So the distance is different. Okay, alright, so here how to find the distance when the rocket from P, when the resultant gravitational force on it is 0. So maksudnya dekat sini kita ada dua distance yang berbeza. So maksudnya bila roket tu daripada point of view P, so dia punya distance, let's say kita letak dia daripada P, dia punya distance adalah y. So daripada point of view Q, so dia punya gravitational force dia adalah z. Okay, so now dia bagi tahu that the resultant gravitational force on it is 0. So usually kita jawab Fp, so gravitational force on P minus, sebab apa minus? Sebab Q is in a opposite direction, so force on Q equals to 0. So we can conclude that Fp is equals to Fq. Alright, so after that, what is the formula for gravitational force? So G M for P and M for the rocket. Sebab kita nak tengok from the position of the rocket, dekat mana yang kita akan dapat the distance when the resultant gravitational force on it is 0. Okay, so and for sure kita nak cari nilai y squared. Okay, so equals to G M of Q and M of the rocket over z squared. So dia punya value dia tak sama, bukannya x minus z, right? Sorry, x minus y. So it will become more tedious. So kalau senang kita nak cari ratio, so we use another variables. Alright, so after that we can cancel out the common for both sides. So G is common, M, and after that we substitute the value of MP. So MP is 2m over y squared equals to 3m over z squared. Okay, so both have m, so we can cancel out. So 2 over y squared equals to 3 over z squared. Okay. So after that, macam biasa, so kita buat dia secara ratio. Okay. So y squared over z squared. So kita akan dapat, so y squared over z squared. So which means 2 over 3. So y over z is equals to y over z is equals to square root of 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 square root of answer, we got 0.816. Okay, so now we look at the ratio. So here, so y over z is equals to 0.816. So 0.816 dia over dengan 1. Okay, so the ratio is, so y is equals to 0.18. Sorry, 0. Okay, so kat sini kita tengok. So kita ada from y dengan z. So y is equals to 0.816 and z is equals to 1. Tapi dekat sini kita tak nak cari nilai y, kita tak nak cari nilai z. But we want the value in term of x. So the total x here is, so x equals to 1.816. So value y, so value y in term of x is, 0.816 over 1.816. So in term of x tu, so that's why kita kena overkan dia. So 0.816 divide by 1.816, so we get 0.45x. Okay, so bila kita masukkan balik nilai x dekat sini, kita akan dapat balik 0.816. Alright, so I hope you guys understand this question and try to find more and more question related to this question. Alright, so if you don't understand, please WhatsApp me. Okay, so I will try to answer my best. Thank you guys. Good night.